Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles with Tang. First, gather your Tang mix, sugar, and water. You'll need a pitcher for mixing and your favorite popsicle molds. This simple method ensures delicious, refreshing treats with minimal effort. Get ready to create a delightful snack that everyone will love, perfect for a warm day. Let's get mixing. In your pitcher, combine 2 cups of Tang powder with 1 cup of sugar. Next, add 4 cups of warm water. Stir everything together thoroughly until the sugar and Tang powder are completely dissolved. You want a smooth, consistent liquid with no lumps, ensuring your popsicles have a perfect texture. Now it's time to fill your molds. Carefully pour the Tang mixture into each popsicle mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Insert your popsicle sticks firmly into the center of each mold. Once all molds are filled, place them in the freezer. They will need at least 4 hours to become completely solid. Your delicious Tang popsicles are ready. To easily remove them, run the molds under warm water for a few seconds. Gently pull out each popsicle and serve immediately for a refreshing treat. If you have any left over, store them in an airtight bag in the freezer. Enjoy your simple, homemade, and incredibly tasty Tang popsicles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.